In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a date-based property flow in Klaviyo. This is a powerful method to automate your communication with customers based on specific dates such as birthdays, subscription anniversaries, or even purchase anniversaries. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to set this up effectively. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you've successfully logged in, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see an option labeled Flows. Click on that to navigate to the page where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Flows section, you'll want to start fresh by creating a new flow. Look for the Create Flow button and select it. When prompted, choose the Create from Scratch option. This selection gives you a blank canvas and the flexibility to craft your flow exactly as you need it. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to set the trigger for your flow. Click on Trigger Setup and you'll see an option for Date Property. Choose this to specify the key date that will trigger your communications. You might select options like a customer's birthday, subscription renewal date, or their first purchase date. Consider what makes the most sense for your objectives and audience. Once you've decided on the date property, think about the frequency. For events like birthdays or anniversaries, you'll want your flow to trigger annually. This ensures your message reaches your customer at the right time every year. For one-time events like a subscription start date, setting it up to trigger just once may be more appropriate. The next step involves configuring the timing of your flow. In the trigger setup, you can specify whether the message should be sent on the exact date or a few days before or after. This gives you the opportunity to send reminders or build anticipation if needed. Consider how you'd like your message to land for maximum impact. With your timing set, it's time to add some actions to your flow. This is where your communication takes shape. Drag and drop an email or SMS action into your flow. You're now in the creative realm where you can craft your message using Klaviyo's editor. Personalize your email or SMS to connect with your customers meaningfully. After setting up your actions, it's crucial to review every part of your flow. Double check all the configurations to ensure everything is exactly as you want it. This is your chance to catch any errors or make last-minute tweaks. Once satisfied, click the Turn On button to activate the flow. Congratulations, you've now successfully set up a date-based property flow in Klaviyo. This automation can lead to more significant customer engagement and a personalized experience that resonates well with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy automating.